Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Scorpio placements. This is your general and love reading. Okay, ngayong May. Okay, so, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And ganun rin pagdating po kay Perception of Light. And yeah, sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And syempre, don't forget na mag-follow and subscribe sa atin pong dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. And pagdating sa mga items, yes, they're all available. Yung protection from evil eye, love bracelet, granter necklace, and cord cutting. Okay? So, hindi ko na isa-isahin. Kung may tanong na lang po, yeah, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so let's see. Anong meron in general for you, Scorpio, this month of May? Okay, in general, what's for Scorpio? Energy surrounding. Tingnan natin. Scorpio placements. Okay. Ano daw? O, diba? Hindi ko siya tanda. Hindi ko alam kung anong mga... Oo. Hindi ko siya masyadong nagagamit na deck. This is 9 of Pentacles in reversed. Responsibilities. Parang hinahunt kayo ng responsibilities. What? 9 of Pentacles in reversed. 5 of Wands. Parang may pag-overthink akong nakikita dito mga Scorpio. Okay? Yeah, Queen of Wands in reversed. Somebody, sabihin nating giving you insecurities or parang dina-downgrade ka. Parang ganan. No? So, anong meron? The Star. Okay. Some of you kaya nag-overthink kasi sabihin nating may kaya ka. Okay, alam mo kung anong dapat gawin. Overthinking. Andun yung sabihin nating kaya natatakot yung iba sa atin. Kung anong dapat gawin. Kasi nandun yung sabihin nating pag-iisip. Okay? Hindi ko may explain. Like, kaya ka may takot kasi may utak ka. Parang ganun. No? Kung ikukumpara natin sa hindi nag-iisip, larga lang ng larga. Parang ganon. Okay? So, hindi naman masama yung mag-isip. Because you're planning. Okay? Gusto natin ng magandang kalalabasan, outcome. So, for me, wag lang masyado siguro. Over-planning. Okay? Lahat naman is may failure sa umpisa, I think. That's normal. Okay, normalize the failure. Pero, hindi naman siguro kailangan rin na lagi na lang failed. Gawin natin lesson. Okay, if ever. Okay, so, kung meron naman mga taong nagsasabi na hindi mo kaya to, ganto, ganyan, sila yun. No? Sila yun. And syempre, tingnan mo rin kung ano bang meron sa kanila bago ka makinig sa mga opinion nila. Okay? Tingnan mo kung anong katatayuan ng tao, mga ganyang bagay. Bago ka makinig. Yeah. 10 of Wands. 9 of Wands. Scorpio, what is happening? Page of Pentacles in reverse. The Moon. What is happening to you? Tingnan ko ha. Six of Cups, yeah. In reversed. Some of you, kailangan yung ano ha, mag-cleanse. Opo. Mag-cleanse. Bahay. Sarili mo. This is like energy of negativities coming from the past maybe. Okay, some of you, you're still attached, whether you know it or not, still attached sa energies from the past, like failures, traumas. Kaya parang meron ditong blockages. It's like blockages pagdating sa mga opportunities, like blessings. It's like sobrang bigat. Ito yung dito pinapasok yung cord cut. Okay? Dito pinapasok yung cord cut. Some of you, kung aware kayo sa cord cutting or okay? Anyway, the Empress is here in reverse. Lahat apektado, if ever. Lahat. Page of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, may chance na mayroong mga gustong simulan, hindi simulan because of this. This is blockages. Okay? Some of you, there's this fire sign na hindi pa rin totally nakaka-move on sa'yo. They're bitter. They are bitter. Queen of Pentacles. Bitter sila kasi parang inuuna mo daw sarili mo. Or parang nakakaya mo na without them. They're bitter. So, hindi malayo na nababatuhan ka ng evil eye nito. Or still, hawak pa rin sa'yo yung energy niya. Kung sino man to. Okay? So, what else? Medyo mabigat yung energy, Scorpio. Okay, medyo mabigat yung energy ng iba sa inyo. So, what else? Anong meron ngayong May? So, medyo maganit, no? Ngayong May. Oo. Hinga-hinga. Okay, what else? Five of Swords in reversed. Okay, so lessen the stress. Five of Swords in reversed. Some of you, nasa sa yung decision para mas maging okay ka. Decision making. Yeah, strength. It's up to you eh. Some of you, kung ikaw itong parang may kailangan gawing effort pagdating sa'yo, sa sarili mo, do it. Yeah. Meron ditong air sign or Leo ang pwedeng makipag-ayos. Okay? Pero you have to say no. Or sabihin natin, mag-forgive ka, pero hindi ko nakikita na parang kailangan yung ibalik kung anong meron before. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Cups. You have to walk away from them. You need to. Okay? Kasi yung taong to, some of them, the Queen of Swords in reverse, the Queen of Cups. Some of them kasi is hindi naman totally like genuine pagdating sa paghingi ng pasensya. Okay, it's like, kailangan kong gawin to kasi ganito ganyan. Parang ganun. It's hindi, it's like, hindi talaga coming from the heart, no? Parang ganyan. It's not, sabihin natin genuine. Some of them, gusto lang nila talaga na parang makuha yung trust mo muli. Pero, I don't see it na parang magiging okay. No? Yeah, some of you could be may perang involved. Yeah. Anyway, so there. Or sabihin natin, alam nila kung anong pwede nilang makuha from you. Yeah. Okay, so yun ang nakukuha ko for you in general. So, let's see. Ano naman meron sa love for you, Scorpios? Energy surrounding Scorpios this month of May. Anong meron for you, Scorpio? Scorpio in love. Anong meron? What's coming in for you? Judgment in reverse. Cutting off cycles. Ending of a cycles. Some of you, meron kang tatalikuran. This is your energy. Judgment. That's Scorpio. Judgment in reverse. Doing or making a decision. Choosing, maybe. What's with that judgment in reverse? Four of Wands. Oh! Some of you, ikaw itong parang gusto mo na talagang mag-step up or magkaroon ng leveling up when it comes to connection. Like, ayoko na ng cycles, ayoko na ng repetitive actions, kung ano man. It's like, I want this Four of Wands. I want stability na. I want long term. I want serious connection na. Parang ganun. Some of you are entering a strong connection this May. Strength in reverse. No, yeah. So, may chance na parang hindi mo to i-force. Okay? Walang pagpilit na mangyayari dito. It's like, bigla na lang. Okay? Walang masyadong effort. Yeah, Ten of Swords in reverse. Yes. So, parang ayoko na talaga ng repeat cycles. This is like healing na rin. Yeah, Eight of Wands in reverse. Yes. Nice. Seven of Wands. You're blocking. Pagdating sa mga paulit-ulit lang na cycle. Like, ayoko na nito. Like, sabihin nating magiging mas okay or parang andyan yung energy na parang hindi ka na naive. Hindi ka na, you'll not, settle down for kung ano man na parang kakaunti. Parang ganyan. Alam mo yung worth mo. Like that. Yeah. Not settling for less. Not settling for bare minimum. Okay? Yeah, the Hangman in reverse. Like, parang kakawala ka na sa kung ano man ang parang sabihin natin nasa comfort zone. Yung iba, familiarity. Pero yes, I'm seeing you sabihin natin taking risk. Okay? Getting out of your comfort zone para lang masabi or para lang makapunta sa energy na mas mataas. Something like that. That's nice. That's good. Okay? So, iba sa inyo, may chance na parang mag-focus sa healing this May and hindi mag-e-enter sa isang connection na parang, ay, ito na naman, ganito na naman. Hindi ko na pipiliin to, mas pipiliin ko muna the Four of Wands. May stability, parang ganun may work, if ever, kung ano man ang dumating at hindi pa ako handa, ay hindi ko to pipiliin. Parang ganyan. So, parang alam ko sa sarili ko kung ito na ba yung akin. Parang ganun Some of you, you'll wait for a sign. Yeah. And makikita mo rin naman yan. Okay? So, sa singles naman, anong meron? What's coming up for singles? For single Scorpio. Iba sa inyo. Okay. Meron ditong energy ng sabihin natin, kung hindi mo na ipipilit yung gusto mo pagdating sa isang tao, makikita mo rin na hindi sila magpo-pursue pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Yung parang malalaman mo na hindi rin pala siya gagawa ng action sa akin kung hindi ako gagawa ng action sa kanya. Like that. This May. So, hindi mo makikita yung pagpo-pursue ng person, if ever, kung ano man ang gender niya, I don't care. Okay? So, what's for you, singles? What's coming up for singles, Scorpios? This May. Okay. Ace of Swords. Connection. Online. Some of you, may chance na makakilala somebody, a new person, I think, online. The Ace of Swords. The Nine of Swords universe. Medyo makukuha agad nito yung iyong tiwala. Anong meron? Okay, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. The Knight of Cups. Okay, some of them may chance na hindi maging consistent. Like hot and cold. Let's see. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords, Eight of Swords. King of Wands in reverse. Okay, be careful with this. The Fool. Yeah, I told you. Be careful, Scorpio. Some of you, pwedeng makakilala ka ng, isang tao through online. Pwedeng, sa umpisa, medyo okay. Parang ganyan. Parang too good to be true. Pero eventually, nakikita ko na parang, oops, nagkakaroon ng nag-fluctuate, no? Parang on-off. Parang 1 minute nandyan siya to message you and then maya wala. Parang ganyan. Okay? Some of them, they're hiding something. Be careful. Maging vigilant. So, pakikipag-connect online this May. Okay? Kasi, some of you, they're the King of Wands in reverse. Ano po yung King of Wands in reverse? Somebody who is sabihin nating already in a connection or merong legal issue sa past. Okay? Or sabihin nating married. Opo. Kasi si King of Wands, siya lang yung married. Okay? Siya yung married pagdating sa tarot. Okay? Whether, kung ano man ang gender nitong King of Wands na to, we don't look. Okay? Kung king ba to or queen. The energy ang tinitingnan natin dito. Okay? So, dark side ng King of Wands is the King of Wands in reverse, which means somebody na pwedeng nag-cheat or telling lies, a manipulator could be. Okay? So, parang sabihin nating ma-attach ka dito sa taong to na pwedeng sabihin nating mahirapan kang makaalis. Andiyan yung pagka-crave mo for them. Andiyan yung parang longing ka sa kanya because the King of Wands universe is somebody who sabihin nating mabubulaklak na pananalita. Okay, mabulaklak magsalita yan. Yeah, the Three of Cups universe. Be careful with third parties. Okay? Be careful. Two of Swords. Yeah, they have option. Yeah, the King of Swords universe. Somebody na pwedeng hindi totoo. Okay? Some of you, itong taong to, they're just using a dummy account. Okay? Be careful. Be careful. Mag-i-invest yung iba sa inyo dun. So, be careful. So, let's see. Aries through Pisces. So, yung person on your mind, ibang video. Okay, separate video ko gagawin. So, for you, Scorpios, let's see. Aries through Pisces. the zodiac sign dealt with or dealing with. Aries. Walang cooperation with this Aries. Taurus. They want your attention. Some of you, gusto lang niya is kanya ka lang. Gemini, they need you. Cancer, they're cold, detached, silent. Leo, they want you to trust them. Yeah. Virgo, they're sad, feeling lonely, feeling empty. Libra, so I'm getting from this Libra na parang maraming effort na gagawin. Okay? There's this Ace of Cups. I mean, napaka-unusual para sa isang Ten of Wands na magkaroon ng cup. So, napansin ko lang na I think itong Libra na to is like worth it na ilaban. Parang ganyan kasi meron ditong cup. Meron pang Queen of Pentacles here. Anyway. Scorpio. Acceptance. Completion. Even though may mga issues. Parang ganyan. Sagittarius. So may panghihinayang or nasasayangan. Some of them feeling incomplete. Capricorn. They're chopped. Okay? They're stuck. Aquarius. Unfinished. There's this unfinished business with this Aqua. Pisces. They need you. Yeah, some of them they're silent. Or maybe you are. But yeah, they need you. They need the connection. They need this. They need you. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Scorpio placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!